Ćao, šta ima? Znam se. Ćao drugari, dobrodošli u novi serijal. Radimo moje reakcije na klip. Sada radimo Try Not Wild Challenge kako god. I hajde da počnemo.
Hi, I love you.
Neka beba voli nekoga. Luigi. Nisam se nasmio.
Poop my pants. Follow the bouncing ball there. Get it! Follow that ball! Reach out in that motherfucker, always loaded, hoping that he pack his fucking die. Middle finger to the sky. Hey, mailman, what do you got? Just this letter.
Šta mi trokira?
Jonathan, I don't love you anymore.
What is your emergency?
No.
Man, what happened? Too much cardio. This dude sucks and he's sweating like he's doing something. Oh no. Say it again. Say it to my face. Where are you?
Come on.
I'm so sorry.
Happy Valentine's Day. Will you be my Valentine? Come on. He said yes. Beautiful it. I love you like that. You roll your tongue from the...
Girl, you gotta come get me. Not only is he ugly, but his dishes can talk. Who you talking to, Bill? Oh, nobody. Girl, that was his plate. Keep it gangsta, y'all. Keep it gangsta. All my life. Keep it gangsta, y'all. Keep it gangsta. Boy, looking real ugly in the face looking boy. Jail looking boy. Weave looking boy. Need to brush your teeth looking boy. Poop looking boy. Soup looking boy. Honestly, voodoo scares me. They're making dolls, and it's like, don't make dolls of me.
Mr. Potato Head.
You look like Miss Potato.
What's the defendant's reasoning for murdering 3 people? I mean, well, shit. I'm a Gemini. I understand completely.
Damn.
LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Nigga spanking.
Right on top of bed.
What?
In bed.
Man, I'm uncomfortable.
It's therapeutic.
Oh, it's therapeutic? Sweet. Hey, babe, what's up?
Čekajte, samo malo. Evo, nastavljamo.
Shoot. Go get her. Smart boy.
For me? I know you're lying. Love you so much.
Valentine's Day.
You know, I lost my virginity to this song.
This song just came out.
Oh, you're not alone. I'm only one call away.
I never knew my father. He left when I was young. I'm an alcoholic. That was the first time I had sex. My mother used to beat me.
You wanna fight me? My calculations of 6 times 6 equals 36 can make me knock you out with a fist of furry.
What are you doing, Grandpa?
Not the rain.
Oh, no! Lord!
You have to work at Aeropostale for a month. No, please. You'll be wearing a graphic tee and a puka shell necklace. I just want to go to jail.
What's up, woman? Hey, you want some,
Weed? No. Hey, Mom.
candy? I got some at the house.
What? You got Skittles?
Омачка.
Together around an agenda.
І фріз. Зелені.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Wish we could turn back time. Hey. 1738. Love's in the air.
Hey. Yes? Will you be my Valentine?
Oh my god, really? This is perfect.
No!
I onda te nije.
What's up? What's up?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Why'd you leave me, Karen? What did I do?
No pjesma.
Hey, babe. What's this? I hope it's not your dick in that little tiny box.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. We only go for real. And we're gonna let it burn, burn.
Ja,
You had to be there. It was amazing. Is that your laugh?
Thank you so much for that.
Sir, you can't go in there. I don't think I've introduced you to my friend, George. If you think $1 is gonna change my... Come on in.
Yes. Okay, well, would you leave me alone?
What's up, ladies? Just got done working out. Football. I'm single. Oh.
I kobiety chyba być.
Yes, 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 and yes, yes, yeah.
When somebody's being a jerk for no reason, I'm just like, what the flip did I do to you?
Watch your profanity.
Oh, hey, yo, can you pass me the remote?
I mean, I could, but why would I want to?
Towel cam.
Stop.
On your marks.
Do.
Hey, buddy. Get out of my fucking room, Dad!
Valentine's Day. Every year we can't wait. This shit just sucks. I still don't have a date. Damn.
Not right now. Maybe in the future.
I love you, bitch.
Oh my god,
I ain't gonna never stop loving you,
he's
bitch.
so cute.
It's one of a kind. Open your eyes.
Bro, what's the craziest thing you've ever done?
Okay.
One time I ate some raccoon booty. What about you? Drove without wearing a seat?
Tu stajemo. Znači, nastavljamo u sljedećem klipu. Vidimo se, veliki pozdrav. Ćao!